Most investors are currently sitting on what I call dead money. You buy a great stock like NVDA or Apple and you just sit there. You're waiting and hoping the price goes up so you can finally see a green number. That's the old way. Today, I'm going to show you how I force the world's best companies to pay me rent every single week, whether the stock goes up, sideways, or even down a little. And here's the best part, you don't even have to own the stock. I originally built this system strictly for my Patreon Diamond members, but in the last 14 days, the success stories have been so undeniable, like guys making $1,000 in their first week, that I realized I had to open the hood. You see that 90% on the thumbnail? Most people see that and think scam, gambling, or just plain clickbait. I'm going to show you why that is actually just conservative math. I'm going to walk you through the Option Diamond Income Dashboard and show you exactly how we have automated the heavy lifting so you can stop guessing and start getting paid. Before we dive in, a quick reality check. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes. Investing involves risk, and while we use math to tilt the odds in our favor, you have to be responsible for your own capital. Don't bet the farm on any one play. The big lie in the stock market is that you have to be a day trader staring at 5 monitors to make consistent income, or worse, that you have to buy and pray. Both of those lead to stress and analysis paralysis. The deception is that options are too risky for the average person. The truth is, if you do it my way, selling puts can actually be safer than just buying the stock outright. But here's the problem. Most people try to build the plane while they are flying it. I call this the grandma analogy. If my grandma wants to fly to Hawaii, she does not care about the thrust-to-weight ratio of the engine or the fuel consumption of the Boeing 747. She just wants to know she is going to land safely on the beach. Most investors get lost in the engine, the Greeks, the IV, and the technicals. I have already built the plane. I've done the heavy lifting. All you need is the destination. So what is the destination? It's called selling a put. Think of it like this. You tell the market, I'm willing to buy AMD at a 15% discount from where it is today. Because you made that promise, the market pays you premium, which is cold, hard cash immediately. If the stock never drops to your price, you keep the cash. If the stock does drop, you get to buy a world-class company at the exact discount price you agreed upon. You keep the premium you were already paid, and you move on with your life. You are literally getting paid to wait. It's the only way to invest where you can be wrong about the direction and still walk away with a profit. This is the Option Income Diamond Dashboard. It's updated once a day with live data because we are not day trading. We are managing a business. Let me show you how this makes your life easy. The Diamond Score. This is our proprietary math. Anything under a 5 can still be a good play, but once you see a score over 5, that is when you should be getting excited. That is where the math is screaming opportunity. The ticker. These are the companies I regularly evaluate. Only the ones that make my cut are shown here. You're looking at high quality names like NVDA, ARM, and WDC. No junk allowed. Annualized ROI. This is the absolute best way to compare puts and profits. Even if you only hold the play for a week, this tells you exactly how hard your money is working in that specific window. It lets you compare different stocks side by side to see who is paying the most for your time. The weekly yield. Some investors like to see the immediate cash flow. Whether you prefer the quick weekly hit or the annualized ROI, we have it all right here. Put max delta. This is your safety guard. This delta is computed by the options exchange people, and trust me, they know their math. We don't fight them. We use their math to help us invest the smart way. If you see a 0.10 delta, think 90% chance of success. A 0.20 delta is an 80% chance. Estimated strike. This is the price that we are willing to buy the stock. Now this is based on the delta at the time we run the analysis. The stock price may change throughout the day, so take the specific number with a grain of salt. But remember that the delta is what determines the actual price we target. Premium. This is the rent. This is the cash the market pays you to sell the option. And here's the best part. This money gets put into your account right away by your broker. We literally get paid immediately. Next, earnings. Some people avoid earnings because the risk goes up. That is understandable. If you are brand new, get a little experience first. But if your thesis and conviction are high, this is when you have the opportunity to make bank because volatility makes the premiums much fatter. The dash alert. This is your visual guide. Green means clean, purple means post-earnings, and we have a pre-earnings alert, which is your warning and your opportunity alert. It tells you exactly where the stock stands in the cycle. The risk tier. We have 3 levels here. Tier 1 is your lowest risk, most stable names. Tier 2 adds a bit more flavor. Tier 3 has the most volatility and risk. If you're conservative, you can focus on Tier 1 and Tier 2. I explain all of them so you can choose the level that fits your gut. IV percentage. This is implied volatility. Think of this as the volatility thermometer. High IV means the market is expecting a lot of movement, which means higher premiums for us. It is the juice in the play, and we want to harvest that juice safely. Cushion percentage. This is my favorite. It tells you exactly how much the stock can crash before you even hit your strike price. The stock could have a bad week and you still make your money. Category and reasoning. This is where we tell you why the stock is on the list and what its role is in a professional portfolio. In the Diamond Dashboard, we use a specific system to rank these companies. It's not enough to just see a ticker. You have to understand its role. Fortress. This is the highest level. It's invite only. These are the most durable, highest quality companies on earth. These are the ones I am most interested in because they are the safest rent collectors. Long term, these are great companies, but they have not quite earned Fortress status yet. Still, they are excellent for income. Tactical. These are stocks that did not make my Fortress or long-term cut. We use the grandma analogy here again. These are the engines that might be a bit louder and more complex, but the destination is still a profitable beach if you follow the levels. Active income. This is generally a secondary category that can apply to all categories. Sometimes this will be the absolute best category for a stock because it is specifically designed to generate repeatable cash flow. Stabilizer. These are the market core holdings like VU. They won't hit this list very often, but when they do, it's a massive signal. I'm not just blowing smoke. Look at this. One of our members hit $1,000 in his first 7 days just by following these levels. And this member already paid for his entire annual membership in a matter of days. Why? Because the system removed the analysis paralysis and gave him a clear entry. Most people run away when a company reports earnings. Now, I'm not saying there's no risk, but we built larger cushions and margins into our analysis. For example, most of these top-tier stocks don't drop more than 18% on a bad earnings report. We take that into account. You just look at your category, your returns, and the ticker. It really is that easy. Most people should start with the Tier 1 and Tier 2 risk categories. I am explaining all the tiers so you know exactly what to do if you choose to take the next step. I know what some of you are thinking. Jerry, this sounds great on a spreadsheet, but show me the receipts. Show me what happens when things actually go wrong. Well, let's look at the receipts. This is an actual alert I sent to my members on May 4th. At the time, AAOI was trading near $178, and earnings were coming on May 7th. The gamblers were trying to guess the news. We don't guess, we look at the math. The Diamond Dashboard identified this as a massive outlier opportunity, flashing a staggering Diamond score of 48. To give you context, I consider anything over 5 to be high conviction. The dashboard demanded an extreme margin safety, a 27.3% cushion, so I alerted the tribe that I was rolling my position to the $130 strike for a $1.90 credit. That works out to $190 per contract. We told the market, we'll buy this stock at $130, which was nearly 28% cheaper than where it was trading at. Then the bad news hit. AAOI reported earnings, they missed, and the stock plunged. It crashed over 10% in after-hours trading, dropping all the way to $147. For most investors, that's a disaster. But look at our shield. Even after a double-digit crash to 147, we were still $17 away from our strike price. On expiration day, the stock closed at $148.94. Our strike was never even challenged because we traded the math and not the news. We walked away with a 133.4% annualized ROI on that investment. The news was bad, the company missed, and the stock crashed, but we still made money because the math was better. That's how you turn market panic into predictable income. Most investors get burned because they are chasing the wrong stocks with stupid options. They are gambling on meme stocks with high deltas. We do the reverse. We want high-quality stocks with a bullish thesis and massive upside, and we use conservative options where the math is heavily stacked in our favor. That's a massive difference in our approach. Now, I know what some of you were thinking. Jerry, this sounds great for guys with a big bankroll, but I only have a small account. I can't afford to secure 100 shares of NVDA. Listen, I haven't forgotten where I started. If you have a small account, we have a specific strategy for you called credit spreads. You use the exact same Diamond Dashboard. You use the same tickers and the same math. The only difference is how you set up the trade to protect your capital. It opens up these professional plays to the masses. If you want to see how that works, find my credit spread video here on YouTube where I break it down in just a few minutes. Don't let the size of your account stop you from using professional tools. Now, I want to speak to those of you who have zero interest in options. Maybe you're a buy and hold purist and you just want to own the best companies on earth for the next 20 years. If that's you, do not let the name of this dashboard fool you. This is still the most powerful tool in your shed. Why? Because the hardest part of investing isn't clicking the buy button, it's the vetting. Most people fill their portfolios with hope and hype. This dashboard ensures you look at the elite. You have your fortress stocks, the most durable, highest quality companies on the planet. You have your long-term plays, not quite at fortress level yet, but incredibly solid. And then you have the tactical category. These are your higher risk, higher reward plays. These could actually end up giving you the best returns in your entire portfolio, but it's critical you understand they come with that extra layer of risk. If you're only seeing option plays here, you're not seeing the bigger picture. This is about institutional grade intelligence and having a pre-vetted roadmap of the world's best assets. It removes the emotion and gives you a clear system for what to own and why to own it. This system works because it fits a busy lifestyle. I update this list daily so you don't have to spend hours researching. Once you know the math, you can decide to trade the weekly or the monthly. It's that easy. For my Patreon members, this is your daily roadmap. Use it to stay disciplined. If you are watching this and you are ready to stop guessing and start following a professional system, come join us in the Diamond tier. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the community. If you're ready to stop watching your high-quality stocks trade sideways and start making them pay you rent while you wait, drop "no more dead money" in the comments. Tribe Check. We don't just buy growth, we engineer income.